Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you have multiple pets in the home, then you know how important it is to have multiple vacuums in the house. And I love this little robot vacuum from ECOVACS, the Deebot. We have had this for a few years now, and it is such a time saver for me when it comes to cleaning my home. I have 5 animals in the house, and they shed like crazy, and I shed like crazy. So it is so awesome to have this extra tool to save me time when I'm cleaning the house. This Deebot vacuum works so well. It has a great little charger that it sits on. It fits under almost every piece of furniture in my house. It is a really simple model, but it has Wi Fi and it connects to an app. It also comes with a great remote, and you can do so many different things with it. It has a really great auto mode. You can set it up in a time schedule. You can do spot cleaning, single room cleaning. You can put it in edge cleaning mode. It has a high suction and low suction. So this really does it all. I love this little vacuum. It is so quiet. If you have pets, you know they usually run for the hills the minute a vacuum comes out, but this vacuum does not bother any of my animals at all. I really love this little vacuum from EcoVacs. I think it's a great addition to my home. I think it is 100% worth purchasing, and that is my point of view.